I'm the boss for my own business now. Day by day, my confidence level is increasing.
Start.
More than the money
Yeah.
and everything, happiness and the satisfaction is more important.
This is a big transformation.
Yes, 100%.
And all this happened in how many days?
30 days.
Wow. That's more powerful, right?
Yes.
Hi, everyone. Meet Supreeth. He's a digital nomad from Bangalore. He got his first client in just 6 days, starting his digital nomad journey. Is that true, Supreeth?
Yes, yes, Bipin. And now I'm the boss for my own business now.
Okay, great. So, congratulations on completing the 30 days. And now you are an entrepreneur. How do you feel?
I feel very proud. Okay, I'm not depending on anyone now. I can do all my works the way I want to do.
Nice. So,
Okay,
you have the
so
freedom.
yes, I have a complete freedom of aligning my work, and nobody is instructing me to do this job or do that job. Okay, I'm aligning my job according to my timings and according to my clients' expectations. So, I mean, I don't want to listen to anyone. I mean, it is
So,
not required to listen to anyone.
now
So,
you have complete freedom over your time, over your day schedules, over your clients. You have control over your life now. How do you feel?
I feel very happy. Okay, so I'm getting more confident now. I already closed two clients as of now. Okay, so they have paid the advance payment also to me. So I'm day by day, my confidence level is increasing.
Wow. So you said two clients. Who are those two clients? What industry are they?
Uh, since this is the admission time, I just focused on the educational clients.
Hmm.
One is for preschools and the college admissions. I was focusing it, and
Hmm.
internal. I mean, locally, I have some people who are connected with me.
Hmm.
So I just approached. They have started new tutorials here in my area. Okay,
Hmm.
so I just as in the first week of training, as you trained us. I mean, I started searching the clients in my own network and in my own area. Okay, so I just went and gave a try. Okay,
Hmm.
so this is how we are. I am from Digital Nomad. So we are doing the Facebook ad and Instagram ads for business owners. They said instantly. They said yes.
Hmm. Hmm. Nice.
Okay,
Hmm.
so
Was that
instantly they said
surprising? Was
yes.
that
I
surprising for
was
you?
so surprised. I didn't expect that actually. So I was
Okay.
so surprised. So okay, I felt very happy. So now it is running very successfully.
Nice. So you also, um, you know, yeah, they started saying yes for you. So you were surprised to see that, to get a client, it was so easy. Is that was the surprise?
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay. So I know that you're from a sales background, right?
Yeah, not 100%,
Uh,
partially.
okay. So what was your background? Are you from digital marketing, or is it a complete different background you're from?
See, I was basically from financial background. Okay, I worked for banks for more than 10 years.
Hmm.
Okay, in between, I mean, I quit my banking job and I started my own business.
Hmm.
There also, I was not that much succeeded. Okay, then I was into sales for 4 years before the COVID. Okay, so that time almost 1 year I was into sales.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
uh, so even I did well in sales as well. Okay,
Okay.
so now I'm into again into the financial e-commerce company.
Okay.
So
Got.
along with that, I'm doing this also.
Okay. Okay. Great. So you have around 15 years of experience totally.
Yes.
Okay. So in 15 years of experience, you started this program now. Did you find difficulty? Because learning, working from a long time and again started to learn new things. Was that difficult for you?
Difficult in the sense, I mean, it is as difficult as regular job, actually speaking.
Okay.
Okay, and
No, I'm
I
asking,
feel,
you've been working for the last 15 years.
yes,
Now you started a new program to learn new skills. Learning the skill was difficult. Was it difficult? Is my question.
no, no,
Okay. Was it easy to anyone? Was it easy for you?
yes, 100%.
Okay. Why was it easy and why were you able to succeed
See,
in this?
earlier I was enrolled to another digital marketing training as well. Okay,
Hmm.
that videos were like minimum 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Hmm.
Okay, so that was not. I mean, it is very difficult to sit in one stretch. It is very difficult to sit for 2.5 hours and 3 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, your videos are very crisp and clear and very short.
Hmm.
Okay, so and we have a community here,
Hmm.
and people are helping then and there,
Hmm.
and they are clearing the doubts. That is helping a lot.
Got it. So the videos are very short, to the point. The community, the support of the community, support of the videos, you were able to successfully complete this.
Yes,
Okay. So how powerful is this in your own experience?
this is very powerful. And I will tell you, this is very powerful. But I feel I'm not finding a time to do this.
Hmm. Got it. Got it.
Okay, I mean, what you understand what I
Yeah, I
mean
got it.
is,
Got it.
yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, you were telling about the client. Uh, so tell me more about the client that you're
So
working with.
now coming to the second client,
Hmm.
okay. So this is also I went in person and I met this client, okay. So even he said, sorry, I called him first,
Hmm.
okay. I called him. I searched it in the Google and I got his number and I called him.
Hmm.
Okay, he said, I said, I'm from Digital Nomad. We are giving the social media services. Are you interested? Immediately, again, he said yes.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, and he invited me to his office. Okay, I went in a very professional way with a formal dress and
Hmm.
carrying the laptop and all. So I explained him this is on what we are going to do it.
Hmm.
Okay, he said, I have one more friend who is doing the same business. I want to refer you to that
Hmm.
person as well. Okay, because that admissions is coming first.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, that is the reason. Yes, I said I am very happy. So okay, I went and meet that person also.
Hmm.
Immediately he said agreed. The same way I explained to him also. Okay, I went in a formal dress. Okay, and carrying the laptop. I'm not carrying the college backpack. I'm carrying the another.
Hmm.
What do you say?
Laptop.
Laptop bag.
Yeah,
Okay,
laptop.
because that looks very professional rather than the backpack.
Hmm.
So he agreed. So today, in fact, today I'm starting the ad for him.
Nice. So you also said today you got closed. They got closed. They are going to make a payment and everything, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So your dream of actually working with clients, living your own life is actually coming true after 15 years. How do you feel?
I feel very happy. It is all my effort. It is
Correct.
reflecting
Correct.
and it is showing to us.
Awesome. I'm more happy for you, because you're actually seeing that happening.
Yeah, I'm seeing the result. In
Yes.
fact,
You're seeing the
I,
result as well.
yes. If
Great.
you are seeing your own result of your own work,
Hmm.
that is the satisfaction level. I will tell you.
True. That will increase your confidence.
Yes, correct,
You also said that, like before we start this call, you saw an ad in your phone, which was your own ad that you were
correct,
doing for clients. Can
correct.
you tell
That's
me
what I
more
was
about
trying to
this?
say.
Yeah.
That is
Tell,
what.
tell me more about that.
Yes. See, I started the ad for first client, abacus client,
Hmm.
tutorial client. Okay, so it is in my area itself.
Hmm.
So obviously I'm running the ads for my area.
Hmm.
So actually I wanted to see my ad. I was very curious about that.
Hmm.
Okay, so it came in my mobile also. My So my work is reflecting there.
Nice. So it gives you more confidence.
Yes, more
Gives you
confidence,
more. It makes you happy.
happy, right?
Nice. So
See,
start.
more than the money
Yeah.
and everything, happiness and the satisfaction is more important.
Correct. Correct. Very true. Very true.
Yeah.
I'm really happy for you, Supreet. I know, you had applied for this for a long time, but last month I was busy,
Yes,
uh,
yes.
doing this call a little late. Yeah. What else you had to share about if someone wants to really join, or if they're thinking that should I join here? What you have, what words would you say for them?
See, apart from the course, I was bit impressed for the pre-training courses,
Hmm.
mindset course.
Yeah.
Okay. See, you did not explain only about the business.
Hmm.
You explained about the four important mindsets. I mean, four important aspects I can say, or the points I can say.
Hmm.
First is spiritual.
Hmm.
Second is to give time for yourself.
Correct.
Maybe up and down. The points are maybe up and down.
Correct.
Okay, and the family.
Correct.
And the fourth, last one is job. That is really true
Hmm.
because see, people may think, oh, this is all good to say,
Hmm.
but I have experienced that
Hmm.
because this you will realize when you went through some medical issues. Because whenever any medical issues happens, only your family will be with you.
Hmm.
Nobody else, no colleagues, no bosses, or nothing will be beside you.
True.
Only family will be beside you.
True. So,
So
yeah, yeah,
I
go
was
on.
experiencing that, and at the same time, you you were. I mean, it was there in the training module also. I was so happy for that.
So, everybody runs behind business, runs behind work. They think
Yes,
work is important, business is important, but they will forget the family, they will forget the health, they will not give the importance to it.
yes.
But when they
Health
get,
is wealth.
yeah, when they get screwed up in life, or when the health is down, when they are in the hospital, they're taking treatment, that's when still they will not realize that I need to change. Still, they will
Correct.
think that I need my business is important, my work is important. But maybe you realized it in this program that you have to do the opposite. That's what I understood. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Now you are keeping
And
business aside and giving more importance to personal life.
yeah, equally.
Hmm. Nice.
And I mean, I used to do puja and all, not
Hmm.
that much seriously. Now I'm actually doing that also. I'm a little bit spiritual
Wow.
now.
Really powerful. Really powerful. All this, you were able, okay, you gave time for your health, you gave time for your family, you are giving time for spiritual health as well.
And
You're,
also I'm giving time for myself. I
yeah.
was very passionate about badminton.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Now every Saturday and Sunday early morning I'm going for badminton also.
Wow. So you are missing all of this piece in the last 15 years. Am I correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay, in 15 years, you might have got trained, you might have, you might have met many people, more experienced than me for sure. But then this important piece was missing.
Yes, 100%. And
Hmm.
I was telling this to my family as well.
Hmm.
Bipin was such a young person
Hmm.
and he realized so many things in his life so early and
Hmm.
he's making people also to realize this.
Wow.
And not only me and my family is happy for you.
I'm so grateful. I'm really happy. The intention of me starting this program or this movement, me getting into education is because to give the right education.
Yes.
Um, okay, I learned it from my mentors and then I thought I can share this. And am I doing the right job? as a mentee,
more
you're
than percent.
awesome. This makes me happy, really, really happy. I'm glad that this changed. This gave me this gave you a transformation, not only in your business life, but also in your personal life as
My
well.
personal life, yes.
And now you're giving time for your passion, which is playing badminton, giving time for your family and everything. This is more important.
Yes, correct.
Maybe
So we
next.
were in the fear earlier, we were in the fear that, okay, if we give more time, we may lose the job or we may not succeed in our life. Those fears, we are come out of from all those fears now.
Correct. So this is a big transformation.
Yes,
And
100%.
all this happened in how many days?
30 days.
Wow. That's more powerful, right? More
Yes.
powerful. Awesome. More power to you. More power to you, Supreet.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You have a long way to go. Now you are in the right place. You have two clients. Um, you get obsessed about this goal, about getting more and more clients for your business.
Sorry, come again?
You have to get obsessed about this goal of getting
Yeah.
more clients for your
Absolutely.
business.
Sure, sure, sure.
That is the only one goal that you have, you can achieve.
Yes.
See, now
Yeah.
you decided long years before, I want to work in this job. I want to be in corporate. You did it. You
Yes.
decided whatever you have decided till date, you have achieved it.
Yes.
Now you are deciding that you want to be your own boss. You want to live your dream life. Uh, you know, Next few years, I'm going to work and give importance to family, and I want to, not. I'm going to give more importance to my personal life, family, and I'm also going to take my business to the next level. You have decided this, and you will achieve this. You will definitely achieve. This is just 30
Definitely.
days. So much of transformation. The next 3 months, next 4 months, next 1 year, you will be in the top. That
Sure.
whatever you are not able to achieve in the last few years, last 10 years, you can achieve this in the next 3 years.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So, yeah, what else you had to, what else would you share if you have anything else?
Yeah, almost I shared everything.
Awesome. I am also so happy. Not just in the professional side, you were able to make the difference, but you realized that there is so much I was missing in my health wise, spiritual wise, or so many things. Personal life
Yes.
that made you gave you transformation. I'm really, really happy for you.
Yeah.
Great. So see you in the weekly calls.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you. Thank you so much.